So this was how I perfectly made moi for the family on Sunday. So this is me trying to smash the beans. I never knew there was this method I have been missing to smash my beans. I never knew until yesterday. I said I should try it out. I did not just try it out on my own, I saw it on the Blue app. So this is my mortar. I'm going to pour in the beans. When I pour in the beans, I'll use my pestle to pound on it gently so as not to pieces the beans too much or to soften the beans. Just pound gently. Oh my god, I never knew this method exists until yesterday. I thank God I found out though. So it's time for me to add some water to filter out the chaff. Do you see? It was so easy. Can you see? My beans is almost ready to blend. In fact, do you see that? This thing really helped, and I don't even know about it until I saw a man doing it on the Blue app. So this is my first filtering. I have to filter out the chaffs. This is the first one. I like doing this near the tap because it requires a lot of water and I don't manage water. Once it come about cooking or washing, I don't manage water at all. Water is a free gift from heaven, what God gave us free of charge, so I don't manage water. So this is I think this should be the last filter. Can you see? Everything is in order, everything is cleared already. Yeah, this is the last one. After this, it's about time I blend. So these are the things I'll be using for this particular moi. Can you see my egg, crayfish, titus, and pepper and onion? So these are the things I'll be using. So it's time for us to blend the pepper and the crayfish together. So this is my blender. This blender, you underrate it, like you don't know what magic this blender does with whatever you want to blend. So this is me pouring in my crayfish and my pepper and onions. I have to blend them together. So let's blend it now. So that just means I'll blend it and pour into the beans. No, as of this time, I just have to fry the stew. This is my Titus fish. I'll debone it, I'll pieces it very well, and I will also pour into the stew and fry. This new method of making momo is so sweet. I've not tried it before. All this things I saw them on the Blue app. Sometimes when you see something, you try it out and see the outcome if you love it or not. So I tried this out and I'm loving it. All my family members, they love it so well. Everybody say I should make more of it next time. So fry your blended crayfish, your pepper and onion, and the fish you are going to use. Just you have to smash them, pieces it, and fry all together. So don't mind the face. So I think the camera did not do justice to this my beautiful stew. It was so beautiful. So it's time to blend the beans. It's time for the beans. I have to pour in some beans into the blender. I could not blend all once. I blended like 3 times because it was a bit much. From family of 7, I think 6. So it is a bit much. I could not blend everything once. So let's see the outcome. Can you see that? This is very fluffy, very smooth. The blender did, in fact, a wonderful job. It did a wonderful job. Looking at it, you see that it is very, very smooth. So it's time to peel off my egg. Peeling off the egg that I will be using. So for a better view and no waste of time, I have to forward it. I have to fasten it so it will be fast. So this is the egg. This egg I boiled about 7 to 8 eggs, but after boiling, my kids decided to eat out of it, and I gave them and I also eat out of it. I cannot lie. So this is me dividing the egg into 2. So it will go a long way. As of this time, everything is set to go. You can see my moi looking so beautiful inside the. It's not yet moi, this is just the beans. So it's time for me to add the what is it called, the stew that I fried. So when I add the stew to it, I will stir and stir. That is when you will see the moi in it. Can you see the stew? Can you see the color now? This is very beautiful. It's time for me to stir it. So I have to stir and stir until everything is rhyme. As of this time, is about to. I just have to add a little bit salt because the salt is not enough. So I test. So it's about tying of the moi into a nylon. Yes, I did not use plate, I did not use paper. I used nylon to tie my moi. By the way, what I need is just the taste, not about what I use in wrapping it. So this is me tying it. My daughter is helping me to open the nylon and double it because you cannot just use one single nylon, it will burst. I doubled the nylon. So this is me after everything. I have to put them in the pot. Our food is almost ready. So at this time I want to come and check. I have to dance to the Lord because it's on a Sunday and I'm happy that food is ready. Who never like food? Everybody like food now. So see you guys. This is the moi. You see, very beautiful, fluffy, soft, sweet. In fact, it's so sweet. So this is it here. See you guys on my next video. Come and taste this beautiful moi. It's so tasty, so classic. Can you see? It's fluffy, it's soft, it's done. How do you make your own moi? You can share with us in the comment section. Let's see how you make your moi. This is a full video of me making my moi. So I was here just to taste it and see if it's ready. Yes, it is very much ready. Let's taste it together. It is very much ready. Can you see that? Thank you for watching. Please share this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on YouTube, TikTok. I'm everywhere. Love you right back. Bye.